Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mint chutney is probably one of the most versatile condiments in South Asian cuisine, offering a refreshing burst of flavor that elevates any dish from simple snacks to elaborate meals. Today, we will explore what makes a great mint chutney, looking at key ingredients, preparation methods, and the subtle nuances that can transform a good chutney into an exceptional one, helping you find the perfect mint chutney to suit your palate and culinary adventures. Number 5. Chutnefy Mint Chutney. Get ready to experience the delicious taste of authentic Indian mint chutney. It's ready to eat in just 5 seconds, and it's made with 100% fresh ingredients. It's incredibly convenient. Simply peel, pour, and enjoy. No hot water, tempering, or cooking is needed. This chutney captures the true essence of Indian cuisine. It's bursting with fresh mint flavor and has no preservatives or additives. It's the ideal accompaniment to your favorite dishes, from idli and dosa to samosas and more. Enjoy it at home or on the go. It's prepared in small batches by expert culinary professionals, ensuring the highest quality and consistency. It's made with 100% fresh and wholesome ingredients. Experience the ease and deliciousness of Chutnefy Mint Chutney. It's the perfect addition to any meal, anytime, anywhere. What we like? It's ready in 5 seconds. Just add water and enjoy. If you're short on time but crave fresh flavor, this is perfect for you. What people say? Convenient and really simple preparation, just add water and mix. How much water depends on preference, less water makes a thicker paste. Adds minty flavor to my rice dishes. Just add water and stir, not even hot water, just right out of the tap. The texture is great, not saucy or soupy but more like a porridge. And the flavor is wonderful, minty, yes, but much more layered, balanced, and interesting, with just a tiny kick of spiciness to it. 1 pack of mix makes a good serving size, enough to feed my entire family. The mint flavor is quite strong in the taste. Number 4. Laxmi Mint Chutney. It's all natural, made with fresh mint, green chilies, spices, salt, sugar, and lime juice. This delightful chutney adds a burst of flavor to any meal. Enjoy it with your favorite salad or sandwich. It's the perfect way to elevate your everyday meals. It's an all-natural food product, guaranteed fresh and made with the highest quality ingredients. You can taste the difference. Our 8-ounce size is perfect for home cooking. It's easy to use and store. At House of Spices, we bring the vibrant flavors of India to your kitchen. We use authentic recipes and the finest ingredients. Whether you're cooking an exotic dinner or recreating familiar flavors, it has the ingredients you need to make a delicious meal. What we like? This chutney is all natural and delicious. The larger size is great for frequent use. If you value natural ingredients and want a versatile condiment for various dishes, this is the one for you. What people say? Anytime a recipe called for ginger, we used it and it maintained its amazing flavor this whole time. Finding this garlic ginger paste has added so much to my cooking. It's a punch of flavor without all the work of peeling, grating, or mincing ginger or garlic. Such a time saver. I use this paste when I'm cooking, especially in my Indian food. It is convenient and tastes great. Number 3. Swad Mint Chutney, 7.5 ounces. Get ready to experience the refreshing taste of Swad Mint Chutney. It's the perfect blend of mint and spices, ideal as a condiment or a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes. This 7.5-ounce package is perfectly sized for your needs, whether it's for personal use or sharing with friends and family. It's easy to store and use. It's compact and easy to store. The dimensions are 6L x 5W x 4H, making it a space saver in your pantry. Weighing in at just 1.1 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to transport. Take it with you on picnics, parties, or any gathering. This delicious chutney is made right here in the United States, ensuring high-quality ingredients and production standards. Enjoy the taste of quality. What we like? It's a great size for everyday use, and it's made in the US. If you need a convenient and reliable relish for various dishes, this is a good option. What people say? Great mint chutney, has a little heat but not bad, tasty. Well packaged now, sealed, bubble wrapped, arrived fine, no issues, thumbs up. This and the coconut chutney are so delicious. They both have the right amount of spices that are not too hot for a Western lady who loves Indian food with a bit of tang, but not enough to burn my tongue and throat. This sauce is so tasty. It's already very thick, so I split the bottle in half and then add water to both halves so it goes twice as far. It is just as good, and then I can use it over rice and other dishes. It also has just the right amount of heat that it is not overwhelming to those that don't like spicy, but it's still enough for those that really like it hot. Number 2. Swad Mint Chutney. Introducing Swad Mint Chutney, the perfect accompaniment to elevate your dining experience. Its refreshing mint flavor adds a unique zest to any meal. It's incredibly versatile. Enjoy it with your favorite dishes for an explosion of flavor. This chutney is made with high-quality ingredients, right here in the USA. You can trust its quality and taste. Use it as a relish. It's a fantastic way to add a burst of freshness and flavor to your meal. It's not just for traditional dishes. It also perks up pizza, pasta, and even fast food, adding a delicious twist. Available in a convenient 26.5-ounce 751-gram jar, there's plenty to share with family and friends. Enjoy. What we like. This large size is perfect for families or frequent users. It's made in the US and is great as a relish. If you need a large quantity of a versatile relish, this is perfect for you. What people say. It arrived with a broken seal and with some of the liquid leaking into the packaging. Creamy, flavorful, and delicious. I put it not just on my Indian food but in soups and on top of lamb and pork. This is the most useful condiment in the world. I use it in sour cream and mayo for a dip. On baked potatoes with sour cream. Any dish that needs a little oomph. The surprise, the heat, the special taste. Number 1. Mother's Recipe Mint Chutney. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the vibrant and refreshing flavor of Mother's Recipe Mint Chutney. It's the perfect accompaniment to any Indian meal. This chutney is made with the finest quality fresh mint leaves, ensuring a burst of freshness in every bite. It's a taste of home, made with care. Experience the authentic taste of homemade Indian mint chutney, without the hassle of making it yourself. It captures the traditional flavors perfectly. It's incredibly versatile. Enjoy it with snacks, as a side to your main course, or even as a flavorful addition to your favorite recipes. This 250g pack is perfect for families and ensures you always have this delicious chutney on hand. It's the ideal size for everyday use. Bring the taste of home to your table with Mother's Recipe Mint Chutney. It's a delicious and convenient way to elevate your meals. What we like. It's an authentic recipe, and the 250g size is perfect for a family. If you are looking for a traditional and authentic taste, this is the one for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.